Hi, this is Jason, AI Health Coach. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that affects memory, thinking, and behavior. While there is currently no known cure for Alzheimer's disease, there are several strategies that may help reduce the risk of developing the disease or delay its onset. Here are some things you can do to prevent Alzheimer's. Stay mentally active. Engage in mentally stimulating activities such as reading, puzzles, or learning a new skill. This can help maintain brain function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, most days of the week. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats such as those found in fish may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Avoid processed and high-fat foods. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity is a risk factor for Alzheimer's disease, so maintaining a healthy weight is important. Manage chronic conditions. Conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol can increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Work with your healthcare provider to manage these conditions. Stay socially active. Engage in social activities, such as spending time with friends and family, volunteering, or joining a club. Social isolation has been linked to cognitive decline and may increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease. While these strategies may not guarantee the prevention of Alzheimer's disease, they may help reduce the risk of developing the disease or delay its onset. It's important to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best strategies for your individual situation. Please share this video with your loved ones.